Welcome to the latest Gmail extension of the week guide. In this guide, I'll explain how you can use a Gmail extension to make searching for emails much simpler. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. Gmail already provides a number of tools and filters in the Gmail search bar to help you find any emails you may have sent or received in Gmail. All the options, however, can be a bit overwhelming. So the extension I'll share with you today works hard to make search much simpler. The Sort Gmail Inbox from cloudHQ extension can be found in the Google Chrome store. The link for this app is shown in the description below. Google Chrome extensions are just small apps that can be installed into your Chrome web browser in order to change or improve what Gmail can do. If you don't know how to find and install Chrome extensions for Gmail, check out the Woggle Guides shown above that explains how to do this. Let's now turn to look at the Sort Gmail Inbox extension. When you first load the extension to Gmail, your inbox automatically reloads, and a welcome message pops up. This explains that a number of additional sections have been added to the side panel on the left of your inbox. Let's close that draft email and turn our attention to the sections that have been added. We'll look at each in turn. The first section groups all of the emails that you've been sent. If I open that, you'll see a number of pre-existing search categories have already been set up for you. So if you want to find out which of those emails were sent to your existing contacts, just click on the Contacts option to open a list of all the email addresses you have sent an email to. If you click on one of those names, you can see all the emails that have been sent to that individual. If we move to the next section showing all the emails that you've received, you'll see that it's also been sorted in a similar way. This section has a number of useful preset searches, such as emails that haven't been replied to yet, or which companies you've received emails from. Again, if you click into a company in that list, you'll see all the emails received. The last section covers all emails in your Gmail account more broadly. This section is most useful if you want to find an email from a specific year or month. Clicking on the Date option shows a timeline view of your emails, starting first with the year and then going down to the specific month. When you click on a month, all the emails received in that month are then quickly shown. I hope you found this guide useful and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to Woggle Guides by clicking on the screen to get notifications of each new Gmail extension review every week. Thanks for watching.